What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It's Motivation Monday. Let's talk business. Let's talk winning. Let's talk challenges. Let's talk mentality. Let's talk all of the above. But before we get into that, I want to say make sure you guys are leaving likes on these videos. Show me your winner. You guys are subscribing to this channel if you're new around here. You guys are commenting these videos as always, and you guys are sharing these videos with your friends. We need to grow this channel this year. It's now May. We need to get more subscribers. If there's anything you guys want me to do, let me know. Any ways you guys think I can grow this channel, let me know that as well. But today, we're going to be talking about how to win in 2020. This is for those of you who want to become winners. Obviously, as you guys know, the weekend is where we make winners. The weekend is where we build empires. But today, I still want to talk about winning in 2020. So today, I'm going to be giving you guys a few different things you need to know or do if you want to win in 2020. Now, use these methods to benefit yourself. Use these methods not only in lockdown, not only during the pandemic, but not only in quarantine, but also in the future. The rest of 2020, we've got to kill it. We've got to do well. We've got to succeed. And we definitely can. We have the ability to do that. So to start off with, I want to say, stop sitting on the couch and lazing around. Yes, if you want to win in 2020, stop doing that. A lot of the time, when we're just sitting on the couch, we're just waiting. We're often waiting for something to happen to us and just hoping for the best. That is not going to get you anywhere. I'm sorry to tell you, but it's not going to get you anywhere. You want to win in 2020? Stop sitting on the couch and waiting. If you want to do fitness, if you want to get in shape, go and do your running, go and do your push-ups, go and do your sit-ups, go and do whatever you need to do. If that's your planking, your calisthenics, I don't know what it is. Go and do that. If you want to start your business, stop sitting on the couch just hoping. Stop waiting. In general, stop waiting. If you're not even sitting on the couch, you're sitting on the floor because you don't have a couch. Stop waiting. Do not wait. Start now. The best time to start, as I always say, was yesterday. The second best time to start is now. So if you're still waiting on the couch, you're doing it wrong. If that means now you turn off this video and you go and do what you need to do, go and do that. I need you guys to push for your goals. If you're not doing anything, if you're still sitting on the couch and chilling, just relaxing, not knowing that when you come out of this pandemic, not knowing that when you start getting back to normal life, not knowing that when the time comes, you're not going to be anywhere if you stay on the couch doing nothing, then I don't really have anything else for you. But it brings me on to point number 2. Wake up and make a change. This is really important because some of you are sleeping while you're awake. What does that mean? You're awake, like your eyes are open, you're not dreaming, but you're not doing anything. You're living life as you've always lived. You're still doing the same things over and over again. You need to make a change. That's why I'm saying wake up. This is your cue to wake up. Not only should you wake up, but you should make a change. If you're still planning, you're not going to get anywhere. If you start making changes, you start doing things differently, you're going to get somewhere. I want you guys to succeed. This is why I make these videos. So how can I make you succeed? Well, I'll start off with, I'm going to make you guys change. You do 10 push-ups every day, you're not seeing anything different, you're not seeing any, gains, you're not seeing any improvements, make a change. Do 15, do 20, do intervals, do something different. Make a change. Wake up, realize that, what you've always been doing is not working, so you need to make a change so that something can work. If you don't do that, again, I'm sorry, I don't know what I can do for you. Everybody who's watching this video needs to be awake, needs to realize what's happening. There was a pre-COVID life. Now that life is gone. We've had our COVID now, we're in it, and once this, passes over, we're gonna be in a new life. Pre-COVID life, the next, the post-COVID life. So if you're not awake, you need to realize what's happening around you. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about, go and watch my videos from the past few days. See what's happening around you, wake up, stop sleeping, stop being unaware, and make a change. Next thing I want you guys to do, if you want to win in 2020, unfollow all negative people on social media. I don't care if that's your Snapchat, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, whatever you use. Unfollow all those negative people. Those people who are not pushing you close to your goals. Those people who are not inspiring you, not motivating you, not helping you out. In fact, if that means YouTube, unsubscribe from those people who are not making you feel good. Unsubscribe from people who are making you feel unhappy, making you feel like you don't have enough, making you feel like you're not doing enough. Now I'm saying you should be doing enough by understanding what to do. You should be doing enough by making a change, taking action. But you should not be saying to yourself, oh, they make me feel bad, I'm going to unfollow them and I'm not going to make a change. No, it should be, I'm going to unfollow them because they're negative, they're not having a good influence on me, and I'm still going to make a change. There's a lot of negativity on social media. Now, why is that? People feel the need to, be mean to others. People feel like they're more dominant than others. People feel like they're worth more than others. There are so many reasons why. But it doesn't matter. You have the power in your hands, in your fingers, to unfollow them if you're not interested. Unfollow them if you don't want to see them on your feed. There's a lot of things I don't understand when people come to social media. People talking to people, people talking down on people, and people just letting it happen to them. Use that block button, use that mute button, unfollow button, use it all to your advantage. Stop following negative people. You're positive. That's why you're watching these videos. You're here to be positive. You're here in your life to be positive. You're here to make a difference. Make a difference by unfollowing all those negative people. The fourth thing I'm going to tell you to do, create new habits and routines. So what does that mean? Well, as you guys know, habits fuel our lives. Whether that's bad habits, whether that's good habits. So, to make a better life and you want to win in 2020, create good habits, create new good habits and routines. After a while, your habits are what's going to drive you forward. I can only motivate you so much. After a while, you need to start using your habits to fuel you. You know, motivation only lasts so much. If you always rely on motivation from other people, you're doing it wrong. Same goes with routines. If you're only relying on other people's routine to do yours, you're only relying on, what you do when you want to do, when you feel good, when you want to do it, you're not going to get anywhere. Create good routines that you get, used to doing. Create good habits that you get in the form of doing, and use those to propel yourself forward. I'm telling you, you create good habits for yourself. Not only are you going to win this month, not only are you going to win in 2020, you're going to win for the rest of your life. Good habits can be anything. When it comes to money, when it comes to eating, when it comes to how you behave, when it comes to how you treat people, good habits are going to fuel you to win. That same goes for routines. You get up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you shower, you get dressed for work. Those are the routines I'm talking about. That's a good thing you do. Now, can you do something where you, each and every night, you do 100 sit-ups? Can you do something where, each evening you work 2 hours on your business? I don't know. It's up to you what routines and habits you want to take up, but create them. The fifth thing I'm going to say, educate yourself every day. And I mean every single day. So how do we educate ourselves? Whether that's through reading, learning, going on social media, writing, executing things, learn. Each and every day, learn something new. There's so much knowledge out there in this world, and that knowledge can make you powerful. That knowledge has the potential to make you powerful. So you need to learn. Whether that goes for picking up a book from your local library, whether that's for reading something new, whether that's reading articles, finding out information, studying courses, going on YouTube to learn. You should be learning each and every day. Enhance your mind, enhance your powers, enhance your potential. When you learn, you're going to unlock your potential. When you learn, you're going to better your future. So I can't stress it to you enough. You need to make sure that you are continuously learning. Not just today, not just tomorrow, but honestly forevermore. It's only going to benefit you, so I don't know why you would not want to learn. If you learn each and every day, trust me, you're going to be a winner in 2020. Just try it out, see what you can learn, and just use it to your advantage because again, it's going to benefit you in the long run. The sixth thing I'm going to tell you to do, upgrade your mindset. What does this mean? This goes not only for your mindset, but also your standards. You're used to people kicking you around, talking down on you. Change your mindset, change your standards, change what you tolerate. You're used to, not being able to win, not being able to succeed. Change that habit. Change, how you think about that thing. You see money as let's say you see $1,000. You could see that as an opportunity to make more. You could see that as just $1,000. When it came to stimulus checks, I saw a lot of people saying, it's only $1,200, it's only this and that. The moment I got mine, I was like, here comes opportunity. Here comes, potential. Here comes more money. You guys see those things, you need to see them as opportunities. See them as potential rewards. Understand that, when you have the right mindset, you have the right standards, it only fuels you close to your potential. It only, benefits your life. I'm telling you, when it comes to winning in 2020, you need to unlock your potential by having the correct mindset, having the right standards. Don't tolerate certain things from anybody. You see someone's annoying you constantly each and every day, someone's draining you, someone's taking up your time. Don't tolerate that. Have the right mindset to say, you know what, I'm cutting you off. You know what, I'm not speaking to you anymore. You know what, this can't run. Have standards, have your mindset, and stick to it. Know what you expect, know what you deserve, know what you're worth. Those are the kind of things I'm talking about when it comes to your mindset and your standards. Use those again to fuel yourself to a better future. Because if you want to be a winner, you need to have the right mindset to be a winner. You have to have the right mindset of a winner. You need to have the same standards that a winner has. And the last thing I'm going to say, number 7, start hanging around with better people. This pretty much, involves all of the above. Habits, mindset, standards, learning something new. When you're around the right people, you're going to succeed. As they say, you're the average of your 5 closest friends. So those people that you keep close to you, make sure they're good people. Do not hang with lame people who only spend money, who have no, goals, who have not got dreams, who have not really, wanted to accomplish anything in their life. Hang around with people who are going to enhance your learning, make you a better person, create, better bonds with them, become wealthy, do the right things because it's going to benefit you in the future. Maybe not right now because you're supposed to be social distancing and staying, a couple meters away from people. But when it comes to the time when this is all done, hang around with them, learn from them. And when I talk about hanging around with them, right now, it's still, you can talk to them online, you can communicate to them, you can call them on the phone. Those are the kind of people who are going to help you and you're going to help them. When you get those kind of people in your life, you're going to see everything changes. Stop hanging around with people who are doing lame stuff, who are doing the same thing over and over again, who are boring, who aren't, improving themselves. Don't stay around people who are stuck in the same spot for years and years. Those people are still in the same place, always complaining, always talking, always moaning, never seeing opportunity. Don't be so focused on them. Don't be so attached to them that you don't see your own potential. Don't be attached to them that they don't help you see results. Don't let them block you from what you're capable of doing, what you know you're capable of doing, what I know you're capable of doing. Find the right people who are going to benefit you. Find the right people who you can benefit. There's a reason why the wealthy people hang around with wealthy people. They hang around with like-minded people because they can help each other become more wealthy. They can help each other have a better life. Same goes for you. You might not be there yet, but start off with being with the right people. So overall, I want to say, eventually, nothing will change if you don't change your life. If you don't hang around with the right people, if you don't change your mindset, if you don't wake up, nothing's going to change. Are you proud or are you not proud of your results? Let me ask you that today. If you're proud of your results, well, it's a result of what you've been doing up till now. If you're not proud of your results and you are where you are and you don't like it, guess what? It's also a result of what you've been doing up till now. If you don't like it, change it. If you need help changing it, speak to your friends, speak to your close people, comment on these videos. We've all got potential. We've all got opportunities now. Let's use it to our advantage to become better and push ourselves towards a better future. We're all in a spot that we have the opportunity to change. We don't like where we are, we have the opportunity to change. You want to start now? Start now. You didn't change 5 years ago? Doesn't matter. You can change now. We've got the opportunity. We all have the opportunity, like I've said, let's use it to our advantage. Come on, people. It's Monday, it's the first week of May. Let's go out, let's be great, let's have a great week. Start the month off right, start the week off right, and hopefully you guys make some money this week. So as always, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys leave me some feedback. Tomorrow's another day, so make sure you guys are back here for that one. But that's it, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching again. I've got into making, you've got into making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.